Ngai thatu hai chibaile thajing ni ruk ni nga ni sang ni le som ni Chanchinthar team tu Olivia F Tusing amasan chanchin langsar zul hai Manipur CM in rang taka rorel na fast track court pahni ahong medical team in patpui mun le kangrenga covid shipui test nei Lebanon khopui Beirut a thilpuk lein mi zakhat thi le sangli hlim Rafael Nadal US Open a an khel ve noding tu hin chanchin kim changlemin Manipur Chief Minister Pu N Biren Singh chun zanisun khan in rang taka rorel nading fast track court pahnia hong tu lai covid shipui leya lockdown lai ani lein hongna hun ser hi video conferencing manga nei ani hi court hongna hin Chief Justice High Court of Manipur Deputy Chief Minister le dan keng ko na tinga mo phurna nei tu Minister Chen Khat le state officials le High Court of Manipur officials hai an thangni nei thulak na chuna shilsa honga fast track courts pani hai hi fast track special court number 1 Europok Chairap Court Complex le fast track special court number 2 Lamfelpat Imphal umanni Hingro rel na court hai hin thubui abik takin nu mei chunga solna crime against women le naupang kumtling lo chunga serle sang thila solna Pokso protection of children from sexual offences hai tading bika poimo le tangkai tak ani dingani tin Chief Minister Chunashil Pherzol Chief Medical Officer Dr. Phirthang Lina in thoka thuai dongdanin Wangai tlang dunga medical team tirhai chun patpui muna covid shipui kaile kaino enfina rapid antigen test ursun le fimkhur takin annei hi test sahin kangreng mi covid shipui kaile lowin kopshim shim hai enfi test thowong anni patpui muna hin mi paku enfi test annia test hai po hi kailo negative wonganni ti in Chief Medical Officer Thusuk Chunashil Patpui muna enfina nei ani zohin medical team hai hi suizuina sin contact tracing le atul hai enfina test nei dingin kangreng an pannok ngal medical team hai hin phulpui ngampa bungle thingkal khu hai khom an kan ngal kangreng a hin shipui kain alowin nai pui le alowin polpui ringlel hai po ko khomin uluk takin rapid antigen test manga enfel test nei wong ania zani khan arengin mi sompaku enfel test anni test ho hai po hi anrengin an negative wong thu Pherzol CMO an thokin thuai dong hi thiltlung le inzomin bill to MLA Dr. Chalton Lina mo chun abil mi pui hai chu chi ai loading le wangdui thela shipui kayan lo umpal chun inrang taka ma lak ani ding thu le theito pa thangpui ding thu Hmar Chanchinthar palaya shilbok Sinleng New Senator Langdanin Mulhoi Haflonga Khosamek Upalal Sang Oi Marchu Assistant Conservator Forest ACFI Inthok Divisional Forest Officer DFO Dingin Alokai Sangta Upalal Sang Oi hi lapuk thim manel khela Kaushan le khotlang tinga khom mi enton ani asin kai sang na hi eilom pui tak zet Manipur Sarkar nuya COVID-19 Common Control Room in thajing ninga sang ni somni zanting dar nga athuan sudanin darkar somni palilim ta sungkhan mi som saripanga akai thar musu kan umthu shil hing hailaya mi somthum pathum chu Central Armed Police Forces CAPF ania mi pathum senapati mi pakhat chandel mi pakhat le churachanpur mi pakhat hai ti lo adang somthum paku hai chu injin sukna nei lawanni tu chena Manipura COVID-19 positive musuk tapo sangthum le somku pathum active case sangkhat zahni som nipali damfel tapo sangkhat zari somruk pani covid shipui leya shingna chan tapo mi pasari Thenzol Golf Course Mizoram chu Culture and Tourism Union Minister of State Independent Charge Sri Prahlad Singh Patel in alo hongta tu lai boruk shi in lengvel lein hi hun ser hi video manga nei ania Mizoram Tourism Minister Robert Romoele Mizoram Tourism Department Commissioner le Secretary Esther Larwat Kimi hai khomin hi hun hi antroyom Ministry of Tourism Swades Darshan Scheme nuya but sayania Canada in ngat golf course architectural firm Graham Cook and Associates hai in theme taka anindungani Thenzol Golf Course hi acre zale pangani in golf in nelna muntak play area hi acre som sari panga ani golf course hall som pari ta uma tui thedar na automated sprinkler hi Rainbird USA High C manibok Tenzol Golf Course hi in khelmi le in hnikna nei tapot hai ta dinga manto lowa in hnel theina ding remchang taka sim ni in ramchang kang hai le te khi khoma in sit umlo takani India ram chawni lo khovel hupa examine takpol takangai civil services examination result su kakhan Aishwarya Sioran Femina Miss India 2016 finalist chu All India rank a somku pathumna niphakin mipui ngai ven a hlo hle ni beauty pageant hai hi meltha le in hernal theme thluk mang theme bek lo tia hunsot tak mitam lem ngai dan hlak chu thlakin beauty with brains an lo ti chu ama nge hin ahung phursu kani Lebanon khopui Beirut a thilsi khomna munpuya thilpuk thei ammonium nitrate apuk lein zani zan ting darnga chanve khan mi zakhat an thita a mi sangli chung an hlim ni in Reuters chun atarlang hi thiltlung hi BBC in atarlang danin thlajing ni li sang ni somni Eastern Time jingdar som pakhat Indian Standard Time in zandari le chanve vela tlungni in atarlang hi thilpuk hrat dan hi lirning 3.5 magnitude anga hrat ani ti in German Research Center for Geosciences GFZ chunashil hi thiltlung hin kilometer zahnia la Kubra Cyprus Mediterranean tuipui bulchen angor pha kani Lebanon President Michel Aoun chun ni thumsung thihai sun na nei ani ding thule 100 billion lira chu emergency funds dingin apung ngalani Prime Minister Hassan Diab chun hi thiltlung hi wangduina rap thlak tak ania hi thiltlunga in nam noina nei hai chu la nei der lawa an phu tok hremna pek ningan ti in ashil US President Donald Trump chun America in Lebanon thangpui dingin anin Beijing thu ashil US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo khomin atur puizi thu athon in khelna hung Chanchinthar khat Defending champion Rafael Nadal chun US Open a antnel ve noding thu ashil COVID-19 in leng mek leya ngir mun chinglo taka aum hnungin Nadal chun US Open in hnel atum no thu alo suk ching talehin nikuma US Open a champion Spanish star Nadal hin a title ahum him theita noding tina ani English media tam takin an thil dan chun rampumpui buina le abikin US a COVID-19 leya harsat na nasatak antuk jingkara in khelding a lowin jin suk chu ahim to ka angai no leya US Open a hin in hnel loading a thutluk na sim ni in an thil Nadal ba ka hin a opponent kumhlun Grand Slam voice om ni lai lo lata Roger Federer khom akhup an hlim lein an khel thei bik noding ani World number 1 holder Djokovic ruk chu US Open a hin changding anga ngaya ni lein avoi khatna dingin Wimbledon 2004 zo hnung the big three hailaya Grand Slam title in chu dinga chang pakhat chau an ding tina ani West London Club Fulham Football Club chu season khat sung championship ting hun an mangnungin Premier League a anin pet kai nokta Fulham hai hin direct in Premier League ting in pet kai zo no hai sin lakhom playoff nein thlajing ninga jingting dar som pahni chanve khan playoff final a an khingpui Bradford hai chu 2-1 a nei in Premier League ting an loin pet kai ta ani Fulham ta ding hin an defender Jay Bryan chun goal ni la ya thun championship ting an thok season thara Premier League a thang thei dinga in pet kai hai chu Leeds United West Brom le Fulham hai an ni chulaizing chun Premier League ting an thokin Norwich Bournemouth le Watford hai chu season thara Premier League in khelve theiloding in unrelegate Ole khang hai po kha tu ta tuma Chanchinthar ei pung thei hai chu ani ngai thatu hai hun mangin hoiro